Lomba. Ada bisa minta mbak. Jadi bro sudah mau jam 6. Kita bikin vlognya pergi ke salah satu tempat wisata di Maros. Namanya PTB. Karena udah sore baru ya minum jus aja dah. Oke, check it out. Jadi rencananya mau cari tempat yang apa? Yang penjaganya kebanyakan cewek. Jadi kita putar-putar dulu sampai dapat tempat yang pas, yang banyak ceweknya.
Club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast, so then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me. Trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, Bruno Mars on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. Now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now I bet you smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Oh, wow, oh, wow, oh, wow, oh, wow. I'm in love with your body. Oh, wow, oh, wow, oh, wow, oh, wow. I'm in love with your body. Oh, wow, oh, wow, oh, wow, oh, wow. I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of one weekend we let the story begin.
Oh, ini ada cewek tapi sendiri nih. Masih kurang-kurang lagi. Ini ada cewek nih. Beberapa cewek ya. Ini ada cewek. Oh, kita stop. Oh, dapat cewek. Hei mbak. Mbak. Mbaknya malu-malu. Jadi ini hujan-hujan gerimis cu. Ini suasananya bro, kalau sore bro. Lomba. Ada bisa minta mbak.
Aku tak mudah mencintai, tak mudah bilang cinta. Tapi mengapa kini denganmu aku jatuh cinta. Tuhan tolong dengarkanku, beri aku dia. Tapi jika belum jodoh, aku bisa apa?
Jadi nongkrong di sini paling enak banget bro, karena bisa menikmati suasananya. Dan di sini juga salah satu tempat yang rame sih di Maros, tempat wisata yang paling rame. So kayaknya ini ada event malam minggu, karena ada mau bikin tenda itu panggung. Oke guys, jangan lupa subscribe, like, dan komen.
Ziggy X. What you got? Small money, and I'll be better off without you. In no time, I'll be forgetting all about you. You saying that you know, but I really, really doubt you. Understand, my life is easy when I ain't around you. Iggy, Iggy, too biggie to be his present. I'm thinking I love the thought of you more than I love your presence.